I got to taste coffee and food. I got it from Jameson Coffee Roasters. It's a very popular local coffee shop located in the city of Pasadena. This is their famous coffee, and this is chocolate chip scone. Taste the coffee. Very good, very rich, good coffee smell. Very nice, strong and good coffee taste. Let's try this store famous chocolate chip scone. Good scone smell. Good. Chocolate chip and scone. Scone is soft with very nice chocolate chip flavor altogether. Very good. And then after that, don't forget on the way out to get that mint candy.